Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abisola. So today I am showing you how to make Ekuru or Ofuloju. Some people call it white Moi-Moi. So growing up in my hometown Ibadan, Ekuru is one of the sweetest food I always look out to eat, and it's a street food. They sell it on the street most time. And when I moved to Lagos, I had a different type of Ekuru. So today I'll be showing you how to make Ekuru in the proper way. So let's get into this, everyone. So what I'll make sure you guys take note is Ekuru is made from white beans, not beans oloyin that we all know, or drum that we used to make moi-moi. The beans for Ekuru is the white beans they sell in the market. You can get this in any market around you or anywhere you buy your food stuff. So please take note, don't make Ekuru with moi-moi beans. It is not moi-moi I'm trying to make. I'm making Ekuru, which is white beans. So it will give it that pure white look that we always buy from, that we buy from the street. So now I've done peeling my beans. Then I'm going to blend it. If you've watched this video to this point, that means you want to learn something and you want to watch my videos more. Please subscribe to my channel to get notifications on new recipes. I put up new recipes every week, and I'm sure you will enjoy every videos I put up here. So I'm going to use my whisker to whisk this to make it a very fluffy texture, because I want it to be smooth. Growing up in Ibadan, sometimes they put these beans, they pour it in mortars, and then you grind it, blend it to make it smooth. So now I have my moi-moi leaf. You can use your nylon, you can use your bowl, but for you to get the proper local taste, you need your moi-moi leaf. So now, if you know how to make moi-moi, you know how we wrap moi-moi now. So I'm going to wrap it the way we wrap moi-moi on a norm. I'll have shown you the tutorial of wrapping moi-moi, but maybe that will be another day. I will show you another day, but right now I'm just going to show you how to make Ekuru. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Don't forget to comment, like, and do everything you guys can use to support me. Just support me, support your girl. So now I will just show you more of how to wrap. You can pick some ideas on how to wrap your moi-moi or Ekuru from here, but I'm going to do another tutorial on how to wrap your moi-moi in a very easy way. So are you enjoying this video? If you're enjoying this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe now. When I moved to Lagos, Ekuru, the first time I bought Ekuru, they sold it. I was like, God, is this Ekuru? The woman said yes. I was like, no, you people need to go back to Ibadan to go and learn this thing. But really, if you try this, I need you to just come out, because I took it to work the day I made it, and my colleagues that grew up in Ibadan, they really loved it. Like, this is proper Ekuru. Like the ones they've been having in Lagos is something else. I'm sorry, I'm not using Lagos people, but really, this is true. This is truth. So now I'm going to boil the Ekuru now. So you know the way we do it with moi-moi, that you put your leaf and the stick of the leaf inside the pot before you now fill the pot with your content, which is the Ekuru that we've wrapped. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yes, it's just a reminder. So now I'm just going to boil this, and after, depending when my Ekuru is getting cooked, I'm going to make my sauce for it, the pepper sauce for it. So now this is the Ekuru. Now is already getting cooked. I'm just going to cover it again and let it boil for a while before I remove it from the fire. So then the next thing I'm going to use is this Kundi, which is called dry meat, Panla fish, seasoning, salt. This is what I did for my sauce. Palm oil, Ponmo. Yeah, I'm going to shift this palm oil to here so you can see very well. So Kundi, I got it from my friend One Day Food. She sells Kundi, fresh meat, everything. If you're in Ibadan, patronize her, please. One Day Foods on Instagram, check her out. So I've soaked this Kundi overnight. Kundi is dry meat, so I've soaked it overnight, and I make sure that I washed it very well so that the stones will not still be there. The reason why I use Kundi for this recipe is because that's what they sell it with in Ibadan. The meat is always Kundi. They will put Kundi, Panla, and that's why I'm not separating this Panla. This is the way it is, and Ponmo and orishirishi, but you can use boiled meat or fried meat. So now I'm going to be using dry tatashe, dry shombo, rodo, fresh shombo too, fresh tatashe, and onions. I'm going to blend it. So I've blended it now. I'm not going to blend it so that it cannot be smooth, so don't make your pepper smooth. So I'm going to start the sauce. Palm oil, I've put onions in it. I'm taking out the onions. You can put yours, but I don't really like seeing onions like that in my stew. So I've put my pepper into this palm oil. So you know what they say, mumadin, mufedin atayin, mumadin. So now I've put seasoning, salt. I'm going to let it cook for a while, stir around it. I'm going to pour in my kundi. Don't forget, you can use any other protein of your choice. You can even use boiled meat or fried meat, but the reason why I'm using kundi is because I just want it to have that local taste, local feel. So yeah, I have my panla. I'm putting the panla into the stew. And do you know that this stew, you can use it to eat rice? It's so nice in rice too. You can use it to eat any other thing. It don't necessarily have to be kundi, ekuru. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've watched this video to this point. Please subscribe. Please support your girl. And yeah, I'm adding my Ponmo. So this is cooking and our stew is ready. So it's time to serve our ekuru. You know what they serve ekuru with, so you need to put your salt on it, because you know it doesn't come with salt or anything. Just put a bit of salt on it. You can eat ekuru with eko. Yes, people eat it with eko mostly, and you can eat it alone. So now I'm just going to scatter it, rub in the salt, and then eat my ekuru like that with this stew. I promise you'll love it. Just try it at home and let me know what you think. So that'll be all for today, guys. Bye.